What's up? It's Jake and Becky here.
Hi, people.
There's a ton of mosquitoes over us. But we're at a place called Boiling... Was it? Alright, where are we at?
I think it's called Boiling Springs Iron Furnace.
Alright, let me flip around. They got a few trails here too. This little area. We figured we'd come check out the furnace. There's a ton of little mosquitoes in the air. What we got here? The iron industry, Boiling Springs. So, oh look, there's a little map here. I don't know exactly where we are. Becky's gonna figure it out.
Oh, wait. So there's lake, there's mill, Wheeler House.
I don't know what that metal bar is up there. They got it blocked off. You can't go look in there. Got a little plaque here on the ground. This one you can kind of see through the other side over there. Let's go over there. Wait, what is that over there? Hold on. Oh, he flew down there. Look at him go. He is flying away. I was trying to get a close-up of him. I'm making a ton of noise now. Alright, so there probably is more stuff on this mountain right here. There's a couple, you can see stone structure. So usually next to the furnace they have buildings. And there's no buildings here anymore, just the furnace. But it's in pretty good shape. It's in decent shape. It's good to see these things being taken care of. So people can learn the history about them. But yeah, here we check it out real quick. That's pretty cool looking. It's like a triangle.
It's a log.
Yeah, it's a log.
They were put in there because they meet together.
It's a little rapids.
This is a catch and release area.
Alright, we're getting out of here. We'll go see what else we can find. Remember, like, share. What are you pointing at?
There's another V.
Oh, I see it down there, yeah. Like, share, and subscribe.
Smash that like button.
Do it.